People are afraid about the termination letter. Once they join in an organization with fake certificate, they are working in the project. Skill wise, they are really good, but they doesn't have proper experience, so that they are taking some fake certificate from different source, joining in the project. The problem is, once they identified in the project, your project manager get to know you submitted fake certificate, your HR get to know you submitted fake certificate. Almost each and every project member will talk about your fake certificate. This person joined with fake certificate, something like that. So that some negative vibration will create around you. That is true. Don't afraid about that. You did some mistakes. Okay, I'm not justifying on that. Try to get the proper relief letter before relieving the organization. Don't abscond from the organization. Don't afraid. Okay. Honestly speaking, if you did something wrong, definitely negative vibration, negative thought, negative comments will be there. You need to face it. Try to relieve with proper documents. Otherwise, you will afraid, you will escape from that place immediately by absconding. But when you move to different organization, you know what will happen. Okay. So please subscribe and always share this video to your friends, especially for new members, especially your college groups, so that new or freshers candidate can able to understand what is background verification, what are all process will happen, what are all impact in the background verification process, how this will impact in the job, how this will impact directly in their life as well.